A lot of businesses like formalities. They like the same old conference rooms, the same old boring agendas, the same tired and tested formats. And that's fine, if mediocrity is what you're selling. But if you're looking for innovation, creativity, collaboration, it's time to trade PowerPoints for panoramic views. Hike your team to new heights. And swap those stuffy grey meeting rooms for a bonfire brainstorm. Discover that blue sky thinking can be actual blue sky thinking. This isn't about business as usual. Because here, being unconventional isn't just welcomed, it's who we are. Spring Bay Mill, unconventional by nature.